Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. If you're in the world of architecture, engineering, construction, or graphic design, you know the struggle. Finding a large format printer that delivers both precision and performance without breaking the bank or your workflow. Well, get ready to have your expectations shattered, because today we're taking an in-depth look at the HP DesignJet T830 wireless 24-inch large format multifunction color inkjet plotter printer. And let me tell you, this machine is a game changer. It's not just a printer, it's a complete solution, bundled even with a matte bond inkjet paper roll to get you started right out of the box. First off, let's talk about what truly sets this plotter apart: its superior print quality. We're talking up to 2400 by 1200 optimized DPI. What does that mean for you? It means every single line, every nuanced color, every intricate detail on your blueprints, schematics, or vibrant posters is rendered with breathtaking accuracy and clarity. Imagine presenting a client with a proposal where every element is so crisp and vibrant, it practically leaps off the page. No more fuzzy lines, no more washed-out colors. This level of precision ensures your professional output not only meets but exceeds expectations, making your work stand out and leaving a lasting impression. It's about more than just printing. It's about translating your vision onto paper flawlessly every single time. Now, precision is fantastic, but what about speed? We all know deadlines wait for no one, and that's where the enhanced print speed of the T830 truly shines. This beast can churn out an A1 size page in just 26 seconds. That's right, 26 seconds per page, delivering an astonishing 81 A1 prints per hour. Think about the impact on your productivity. No more waiting around for large format prints. No more bottlenecks in your workflow. You can tackle demanding projects with confidence, knowing this plotter can keep pace with your busiest schedules. Whether you're running multiple revisions for a client or pushing out a large batch for a presentation, the T830 ensures your creative flow isn't interrupted by slow printing, giving you back valuable time. But what good is an amazing printer if it's a pain to connect or use? That's why the seamless connectivity of the HP DesignJet T830 is an absolute lifesaver. This plotter is built for the modern, mobile workflow. With Gigabit Ethernet, Wi-Fi, HP AirPrint, Apple AirPrint, and the intuitive HP Smart app, you have unparalleled flexibility. Imagine sending a print job from your tablet on the construction site, or from your phone while you're grabbing coffee, and having it ready when you get back to the office. No more fumbling with cables or specific drivers. The HP Smart app even lets you manage your plotter from virtually anywhere, monitor ink levels, and reorder supplies with ease. It truly integrates effortlessly into any professional environment, empowering you to work smarter, not harder. And let's not forget the versatility. With sheet feed, roll feed, an input tray, and an automatic cutter, it handles everything from your standard documents to massive 24x 74.7-inch prints. This isn't just a printer. It's a multifunction device that scans and copies too, making it an all-in-one powerhouse for your design and project needs. The fact that it comes bundled with a matte bond inkjet paper roll means you're ready to print high-quality output from the moment you set it up. So, who is the HP DesignJet T830 for? It's for the professional who refuses to compromise on quality, demands efficiency, and values a truly seamless workflow. It's for anyone looking to bring their large format printing in-house, save time, reduce costs, and elevate their output to an unparalleled standard. This isn't just an investment in a piece of hardware. It's an investment in your productivity, your professionalism, and your peace of mind. Ready to transform your large format printing experience? You absolutely should be. Don't miss out on the opportunity to bring this incredible technology into your studio or office. Find the link in the description below to learn more, check out current deals, and get your very own HP DesignJet T830. Trust me, your projects and your clients will thank you for it.